Do you want to recover data from your corrupted PST file? The Regain PST recovery tool is the best professional solution to successfully recover data from your corrupted PST files. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain Outlook PST Recovery. Open the first web page. Now, click on the free download button, and as a result, the trial version of the Regain PST recovery software will be downloaded on your device. Once the downloading is completed, double-click on the exe file to start installing it. Click on Next. Accept the agreement, and click Next. Again, click Next, and then Install. After the installation is completed, click on the Finish button. Now, right-click on the software icon, and run it as administrator. This is the easy-to-use graphical interface of the Regain PST recovery software. Here at the top left corner, you will get the three main features of the software. First option is Open. With this option, you can add your PST files to this software. The second option is Export. This option allows you to export your recovered data into PST and many other formats. The third option is Cloud Migration. It's really a great feature. With this feature, you can directly migrate your recovered data into Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Office 365 or any other email clients. To start recovering your data from a corrupted PST file, you will need to import it first. For that, click on the Open option. Click on the Add Outlook Files button. Select the corrupted PST file, and click on the Open button. Then click Next. As a result, all the corrupted data will be recovered. Here you can preview all your data. In order to get a more detailed preview, just double-click on any folder. Then double-click on any email, and you can read it on the bottom panel. This software helps you to recover almost all data of your corrupted PST file, including emails, attachments, contacts, calendar, etc. Now, to export your recovered data, click on the Export option. Select any of the format in which you want to export the recovered data. This software allows you to export your data into 20+ formats. After you select your desired format, click on the Browse button. Choose a destination where you want to save the output file. Then click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the export process will be started, and the output file will be saved on your local directory. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.